Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert symbols directly onto your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab up here at the top, and then you want to go and select where it says Symbols over here on the right side. And you can insert whatever symbol you want. Again, you have to be inside of a text field in order to actually select that. And then select Insert, and it should appear down here. And that's pretty much it. So you can do for currency symbols, you can do Latin letters, as well as different formulas or fraction symbols here too. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.